Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at Lot 10 in Shore Acres. Shore Acres is a land lease community based in Manasquan, New Jersey. So we'll take a quick look around this house before we head in. So the seating still needs to be done in this house, and the AC unit is on the way. Here you can see the beautiful backyard that you get with this house. And just a view of the neighborhood. So this house does come equipped with outside water and electric. See the electrical outlet there. There's the water spout. And on the left there you have the other electrical outlet between the two steps. Now we'll take a look inside. So you've got a ceiling fan in the living room here. It's a really wide open kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Here's that living room from the other angle. See out the window. So all the appliances have warranties through the manufacturer. Here is the refrigerator. Dishwasher. Here we have the laminate countertops. And I think there's this beautiful backsplash here. Kind of this robin's egg color. See, it goes all the way around the kitchen. Here's the farm sink. It's got that really nice cutting board there. And there's this window right above it, which brings in a lot of light. Microwave. Oven, stove combination. A heating tray in the bottom. We've also got these really deep cabinets right next door. And here you can actually see that these are slow close hinges. So they're really quiet. There's no slamming. You can see out the back door. Got the electrical panel here. It's just like a regular home. It's 100 amps. And this is where you could put your side-by-side washer and dryer. Got a lot of cabinet space above as well. Across from that you have the bathroom. And here you have your one-piece fiberglass shower. It also has a bathtub here. Now we'll take a look at the first bedroom. Got that really nice skylight above. And from this bedroom, you can actually see that, beautiful backyard and the rest of the neighborhood. Here's the closet, and it runs the full length of the wall. Got 2 screens there for you. And here is the whole house shutoff valve. This is the data plate from Champion Homes. This also is the Energy Star certification. And behind this door is the water heater. It's a 40-gallon water heater. And just about that Energy Star certification, It just goes to show that this house is very energy efficient, right? Like with the thermal pane windows, which keeps the house very well insulated. Now I forgot, in the bathroom here, you actually have extra cabinet space right behind the door. It's a perfect place to store towels or what have you. Now we'll take a look at the other bedroom. We also have cable jacks installed into the living room and both bedrooms. And here is the thermostat for the house. This house has central air conditioning and forced hot air. Here is the furnace, which is responsible for that. Now this is a newer furnace model, which is really nice because the filter is super easy to change. It's just that little slot right there. And this is the second bedroom. And right across from the windows, we have the closet. Now, if you're interested in this house, please go to www.dolanhomes.com. There you can go to the listing page and click Lot 10, and then you'd hit the Get Started button to begin the process of potentially owning this home. Thank you.
Edison Mobile Estates is a manufactured home community. We are located in a fabulous location right on Highway 1, just a mile away from Metuchen, New Jersey, close to the train stations, great school systems, close to the Parkway, close to Route 9, very close to 287. It's a really convenient location. It's one way in and one way out, so it's pretty secluded. It's private property, so we don't have any soliciting, and people really enjoy the privacy, even though we're in a great hub close to the airport, the Newark airport. Our office is in the front of the community as you drive in. We meet everybody by appointment only. So if you want to meet us, fill out the 15 questions or email us if you're interested. This is US Highway 1 or Route 1 in Edison. Our family is the Dolan family. We are Dolan Homes. We've been building manufactured homes in our 3 communities for over 40 years. On our website, dolanhomes.com, you'll see Edison, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. Those are the 3 parks that we manage. Robert Dolan is the managing member. This community has been in the Dolan family since 1974. Here's Robert Dolan. He holds all the licenses to build and manufacture and install the manufactured homes. As our nephew and our son, we are a small family business. Husband, wife, nephew, son, and their little kids. We really pride ourselves on being 4 generations, and it's a joy when the little ones join us in the summertime. We have a fabulous crew with lots of experience, and it's all hands on deck when we're building one home at a time from our family to yours. We do all the utility connections, water, sewer, and electric, and the concrete foundation of all the houses. We have a lot of advantages to joining us. We are a land lease community, so the cost is very little because the actual homeowners do not pay the real estate. Edison Mobile Estates pays the taxes and thereby makes it much easier for homeowners to purchase homes. The median income price of a home in Edison is over $400,000, and our homes are from $148,000 and a little bit lower and a little bit higher. We're just so pleased to be part of the American dream of home ownership. Come join us, check out our website, and email us or 15 or fill out the 15 questions and we'll get right back to you.